Hi guys, welcome back. Market video analytics September 26. You're looking at the crude oil daily chart, and it's quite a funny story I have here on the crude oil, because just about 7-8 days ago we actually established a bearish position according to the situation that we noticed. I mean, there was a double top created right on that spot of the 7064, which is a powerful key level. We noticed that double top. Price was obviously having difficulties breaking through, and we took a bearish position with the intentions actually to go all the way to the 63.60 level, pretty much where the previous major low was. However, price didn't make it, to say the least. It did touch the 67.93, slightly touched that level and quickly bounced off and began to turn around. That's where we split, right? We closed that position. We took a small profit, actually, even though I was off with regards to the direction. In this case, I think I was off with regards to the timing rather than the direction itself, because right now price is just drilled well into the upper section. So that's even better. Because, you know, when I noticed that price was right there, I said that it is a risky play. Usually we like to see price just go well into one of the extreme sections. In this case, this is the upper section. And it also took the previous highs when it did that, right? Now, take a look at the second setup that I've placed here. This is the purple setup here, purple system, according to this downside correction. And you can see how price just amazingly touched base here with this top key level 72.46, acknowledging that level, spiking it twice, and beginning to turn around. So you got the second element here supporting a bearish conviction. Now, obviously, the third element would be just the fact that we are in the higher section and we are missing a downside leg, right? We have 4 legs. We should expect the fifth. Right. So first, from a short-term perspective, I would address just the purple system. We're looking at I think an easy move towards 70.64 again and 70.32 right there, these two levels. Then I expect price to hit the 67.93, and eventually, this is the most important level, 65.7. Now, this is quite a remarkable combination of two different levels, two different key levels. For one, we got the mid-low key level of the big setup, that's the black system, and it's beautifully combined here with the bottom key level of the purple setup, which is the lower scale system that we have here. Just, you know, coincidence, obviously. But it actually turns this level to be much more powerful in the sense that it's like a magnetic field. It should draw price to it and then probably repel it. We can also find a 280 moving average, you know, creeping in pretty much roughly where this particular cluster is, and still below the previous low here, the previous local low. So I think we're looking at a potential downside reversal that's going to begin right now, very early stages. Obviously, as long as we stay below 72.46, we're good to go. If price makes it and breaks that level, starting to base itself above that level, that's obviously not going to be a good sign, and we're going to have to split. In the meantime, we're establishing a short position with a stop loss level around 73. Price target 65.7 with a few secondary targets that I've mentioned before. So it should be interesting. Follow up. I'll keep you posted. See you on the next one.